You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is b equals 12. Let's solve it step by step. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 8 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the b. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4 over -1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is b equals 12.